You just received an urgent email from your bank. They say your account has been compromised and you need to verify your information immediately. The email looks real, the logo is there, but should you click that link? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how phishing scams work and the 5 warning signs that could save you thousands of dollars. Every single day, cybercriminals send 3.4 billion phishing emails worldwide. That's not a typo, billion with a B. And here's the scary part. 83% of organizations reported experiencing successful phishing attacks in 2024. The average victim loses over $12,000. So what exactly is phishing? The name comes from phishing because hackers are literally fishing for your information. Instead of using a rod and bait, they use fake emails and websites to trick you into handing over your passwords, credit card numbers, or personal data. A fisherman uses bait that looks appetizing to catch fish. A phishing scammer uses emails that look legitimate to catch you. Let me show you exactly what a phishing email looks like. Here's a real example that fooled thousands of people. At first glance, it looks legitimate, right? It has the bank's logo, professional formatting, everything seems normal. But look closer. First red flag, the sender address. It says it's from securebank.com. Notice the double K? Real banks don't have typos in their domain names. Second, the greeting is generic, "Dear customer," instead of your actual name. Real banks use your full name. Third, urgent language designed to make you panic. Immediate action required or account will be suspended in 24 hours. This is psychological manipulation. They want you to act before you think. Fourth, hover over that link, and this is crucial. The display text might say w.yourbank.com, but the actual URL it goes to is completely different. This is the smoking gun. Fifth, they're asking for information your bank already has. No legitimate company will ever ask you to verify your password or social security number via email. And finally, look at the grammar. Your account has been compromised, missing the D. Professional companies proofread their communications. Here's exactly how the attack unfolds, step by step. Step 1. The hacker creates a convincing fake email, copying the exact design of a real company, logo, fonts, layout, so it looks authentic and trustworthy to the average user. Step 2. They send it to tens of thousands of people. It's a numbers game. If even 1% fall for it, that's hundreds of victims who could have their information compromised. Step 3. The email lands in your inbox, often bypassing spam filters because it looks so legitimate. The authentic appearance tricks even advanced protection systems, making it seem like a normal message from a trusted sender. Step 4. You're having a busy day. You see the urgent subject line, and you click the link without thinking. The rush and pressure make it easy to overlook red flags and fall for an urgent, official-looking message. Step 5. You're taken to a fake website that looks identical to the real one. I mean pixel perfect, same logo, same login form, same layout, everything designed to fool you into thinking it's the legitimate site. Step 6. You enter your username and password, thinking you're on the real site. By trusting the convincing appearance, you unknowingly hand your confidential information directly to the hacker's server. Step 7. The moment you hit enter, those credentials are captured and sent directly to the hacker in real time. The hacker receives your sensitive data within seconds, ready to take advantage immediately. Step 8. Within minutes, the hacker logs into your real account using your real credentials. They change your password, lock you out, and drain whatever they can access before you even notice anything has happened. Let me tell you about Sarah, a real victim. She received what looked like a PayPal email. 3 hours after clicking, $15,000 was transferred from her account. She recovered $9,000 after 36 days. The other $6,000 was gone forever. Okay, so how do you protect yourself? Here are the 5 warning signs you need to check every single time. Warning sign number 1. Always check the sender's email address carefully. Look for extra letters, numbers, or domains that don't match the company's official website. If you get an email from Apple, but it comes from applesecurity@supper.com, that's not Apple. Number 2. Be suspicious of urgent or threatening language. Your account will be closed, immediate action required, unusual activity detected. These are designed to make you panic and act without thinking. Real companies give you time to respond and don't threaten you. Number 3. This is critical. Hover your mouse over any link before clicking. Don't click it, just hover. Look at the bottom left of your browser. You'll see the actual URL it's going to take you to. If it doesn't match what the text says, it's fake. Number 4. Look for grammar and spelling mistakes. Professional companies have editors. If you see your account has been compromised or click here for Secure You account, that's a red flag. And number 5, no legitimate company will ever ask you to provide or verify sensitive information via email. Not your password, not your social security number, not your credit card. If they're asking, it's a scam, period. Here's your action plan to stay protected. First, enable two-factor authentication on everything. Your email, your bank, social media, everything. Even if a hacker gets your password, they can't get in without that second verification. Second, use a password manager. It generates unique passwords for every site. That way, if one account gets compromised, the hackers can't access your other accounts. Third, keep your software and apps updated. Those annoying update notifications, they often contain security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers exploit. Fourth, and this is huge, if you receive a suspicious email from your bank or any company, don't click anything. Close the email, open your browser, and go directly to the company's website. Or call them using the phone number on the back of your credit card. Fifth, report phishing emails. This helps protect others and trains the spam filters. And finally, talk to your family, especially older relatives. 5 minutes of education could save them thousands. Remember, phishing works because it preys on our trust and our busy lives. But now you know what to look for. If you want to stay ahead of the threats, subscribe to this channel. Every week, I break down the latest cybersecurity threats in simple terms anyone can understand. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and if this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to see it. One share could prevent someone you love from becoming the next victim. Thanks for watching, and remember, when in doubt, don't click. Stay secure.